Welcome. This is Mr. Morales. We're going to finish up this unit with dividing a polynomial by a binomial. The polynomial that we're really going to divide by is a trinomial. So we're going to take a trinomial, we're going to divide it by a binomial. We're on page 7 of your notes packet. So please turn to page 7 of your notes packet and follow along. We're going to start with number 1. Now, hopefully you remember long division in elementary school, maybe middle school. But today, Mr. Morales is going to show you a little short division. Hopefully you remember how to divide a monomial by a monomial, because that's going to be very important to do this the way I'm going to show you. Right now we have x squared minus 8x plus 12, all divided by x minus 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it up. I'm going to take this x and I'm going to divide x squared by it. Then I'm going to take this negative 2 and I'm dividing this 12 by it. And that's all I'm going to do. Watch. X squared divided by x is just x. 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. And I am done. And I am done. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm sure some of you are asking, what about this negative 8x? What's going on with that? When you come to class, ask me about it. Let's go to number 3. What is 5r squared plus 19r minus 4 divided by r plus 4? I'm going to do the same thing as the last problem, and I'm going to split it up. So I'm going to take the first r and I'm going to divide it by, or I'm going to take 5r squared divided by r. So notice the first term divided by the first term. Then I'm going to take the last term and divide it by positive 4, which is also the last term. So monomial divided by monomial, another monomial divided by monomial. 5r squared divided by r. Well, I got 5r. There's nothing goes with the 5. I had 2 minus 1 is 1. And so there it is. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about it. That's just silly. But if you really want to know, ask me in class. Negative 4 plus 4, or divided by positive 4, is negative 1. There is my final answer. Very simple. First one divided by the first one. Last one divided by the last one. Let's try one more. Now we're going to do number 5. Notice it's written as a fraction. X squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. The way I do this is, I take the first one and again I divide it by the first one. So I take x squared and divide it by x. I get x. Then I'm going to take the last item here, the last term, the last monomial, whatever you want to call it, it's fine with me. And I'm going to divide it by the last term here, the last monomial. What's 3 divided by 3? You got it. That is 1. There is my final answer. I'm sure you're thinking, what's going on with that 4x? We haven't done anything with it. That's right. We don't need to do anything with it. But if you really want to know, ask me in class. I think we have one more, which is we have 2 more. So let's see if we can do these real quick. Now, if you don't like to do this little drawing that I do, that's okay. You can just move this little x here to underneath. I don't have a problem with that. Sure. If you have a little problem with this negative 4 being so far away, bring it underneath. Guess what? I don't have a problem with that either. So, let's start with here. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. It's positive, so it stays positive. Now let's deal with 4 divided by negative 4. That's negative 1. There is my final answer. And let me say something. If you want to know about the negative 9x, guess what? Ask me in class. Last one, number 11. What is the quotient of 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 and x minus 1. So I'm going to take this x and I'm going to divide the first one by it. I'm going to take this negative 1 and I'm going to divide this last one by it. So first term divided by first term, last term divided by last term. Well, 3, there's nothing here, so I have 3. I had x squared and x, so I have an x, because 2 minus 1 is 1, so I have 1x left. 1, or positive 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. There is my answer. Now some of you are thinking, what about this negative 4 here? What is going on? How come we haven't done anything with those middle terms? Guess what? It's a little surprise. So when you come to class, ask me about it. Have a great evening. I hope this helped out. Please try to do some of those problems on page, I believe it was 7 and 8, on your own. And come to class prepared to ask me about this negative 4x. Have a good day.